Tired of giving out your phone number just to access Google's amazing services? Today, we're going to show you exactly how to create a Google account without it, prioritizing your privacy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to accounts.google.com. You'll see the Create Account button. Click on it. Now, fill in your first and last name, then create a username and a strong password. After that, enter your birthday and gender. Google requires this information to verify your age. Okay, here's the key part. When you get to the phone number field, look for a skip option, usually located below or beside the field. It might be a small link, so keep an eye out. Click on skip. Review Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to know what you're agreeing to. Then, click I agree to continue. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Google account without providing a phone number. Now you can use Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and all of Google's other awesome services. Keep in mind that skipping phone verification might limit some account recovery options, so be sure to remember your password and set up a recovery email for extra security. That's it for today's privacy tip. Now you can enjoy Google services without sacrificing your personal information. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.